Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 108 Top in the active specification. So this car comes with a 1 litre PureTech engine that gives you 68 horsepower. The car's done just over 2,000 miles and is free to tax. You also get this lovely retractable fabric roof. There's a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth, and you also get air conditioning and speed limiter. So let's have a look around. So we supply this car with 12 months unlimited mileage warranty and roadside assistance. And if this car's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.